Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn your text into bold in Picsart. So let's go ahead and open Picsart.com and log into your account. Now hit the new project button and hit the create canvas button. What you need to do is go to the text option over here, hit it, and enter any text. So choose this one and select it, and you can see the bold option. If you click on bold, your text will be turned into bold. Now to undo it, just go ahead and press the bold button again, and you can see that this text has been unturned into bold. So it's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is go to Picsart, hit new project, create canvas, and go to text option, which is on the left hand side. Click on it and choose any text. Let's suppose I want this text. I will tap on it and I will write hey, and then I will select all of these and hit the bold one. So you can see that it has been turned into bold very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.